Jai Hind, I'm Cadet Ashutosh Pradhan from NCC Tezpur University, 5 Assam Battalion, Regimental number AS19 SDA 110785. And today I'm going to speak on a topic being vocal for local. In an effective response to the unforeseen emergency that is the COVID 19 pandemic that disrupted most channels of national and international trade, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, gave a call for the country to be vocal for local. Though our Honorable Prime Minister clarified that the current ideology behind being vocal for local is not about reducing the import but rather aimed at a quantum jump to the economic potential of the country by strengthening the infrastructure, using modern technologies, enriching human resources, and creating a robust supply chain. Hence, I've categorized my discussion into two broad aspects. First being the available opportunities for us, and second being the course of action that needs to be taken. First, the available opportunities. Point number one, global manufacturing shifting away from China. Mostly all the multinational companies are more concerned about concentration risk of businesses in China than ever before. So the trend towards moving the sourcing away from China will continue. India can attract these investments and become the next global manufacturing hub. Point number two, aging global population. Considering demographics, most developed nations lack the workforce to produce all that they need in their own countries. India's huge demographic dividend may adequately bridge the requirement for a young human resource to the world. Point number three, huge domestic demand. India is blessed with a vast array of natural resources, a huge demographic advantage, a large farming community, dynamic industrial setup in sectors like automobiles and information technology, and a set of entrepreneurial pathbreakers. In this context, India has all the input as well as the output, that is, the demand and supply factors, those are needed for becoming self reliant and being vocal for local. Now, I would like to talk about the course of action that needs to be taken. Point number one, promoting vocal for local. Being vocal for local is the key component of an Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. In this context, people must realize the concept of valuing local products and artifacts and promoting them. Only after this, a dream of transforming local India into a global India will be possible. Point number two, favorable policies. In general, competition enhances innovation and efficiency. However, capitalism weakens the local competitiveness and often diverts the resources away from more efficient and technologically innovative companies. Thus, policies should enhance domestic competition and ban capitalism. Point number three, support control of critical value chains. India cannot become self reliant until it has control over domestic and global supply chains. Thus, there is a need to ensure greater control over certain parts of the global value chain to promote strategic interests, especially in healthcare, agriculture, and defense. Point number four, focusing on comparative advantage. India can focus on one area where it can differentiate and attract global and domestic investors and be a leader. The next big thing from India in this category can be 3D manufacturing, robotics, and automation. As these technologies are the confluence of manufacturing and IT, India's leading edge in IT provides a platform to become a leader in this space globally. Hence, I would like to conclude that being vocal for local is a key component of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. It will help India in rising to the position of a global superpower. Thank you. Jai Hind.